Hey there, guys and gals, and all the people in between for all those people who threw a little shade that I say guys and gals. All right, guys, so we're going to do a hair cutting video today. How exciting. So this was a big job on my lady here, Leslie. And so we're just going to chop some hair off right now because she had a lot of hair she wanted to get rid of. And we did do a Malibu CPR beforehand. And I said, well, let's cut it off and then we'll cut it again and then we'll color it. So coloring is a whole different video, guys. Here she wanted a very textured graduated bob. So as you can see, I am elevating at 45 degrees and bringing it to the middle, shifting the hair for graduation, okay? I don't cut hair textbook. I cut hair by feel. I don't measure and measure and measure. I look in the mirror. I am very visual. I shift hair. I shift hair to the direction I want it to go. I might not cut the way you do, but the final result may be the same thing that you get. So like my friend says, there's 90 million ways to get to the mall as long as you get there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we are just going to create our elevation. And she wants that stacked bob going on. Now, you guys are seeing my rough cut. After I dry her, I'm going to do a whole bunch more cutting, which I do not show you because that is a feel and I can't really teach that. That is something that you need to kind of do on your own. So I will rough cut everybody. I dry them and then I cut it some more. So as you can see, I am connecting the front section to the back section. Remember, guys, people got ears. So you want to keep that side not too much tension, because you have too much tension there, you're going to get a big cutout by the ear. Now here I'm putting in her rough layers and I am angling those back, and my assistant's always worried that you're going to see her in the mirror. So you can see that she was kind of crazy videoing here. So as you can see though, I am angling this hair back. I want it longer in the front and I am just removing bulk right now. I am going to go in and I am going to texturize the heck out of this hair. So you can see the final result and it came out so beautiful. If you guys want more information on how I cut my bobs, message me and tell me to do a class.
Hey guys, and if you like that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.